To find current.
Yes, who answered?
Ma'am, Ayushi.
Ayushi, very good. To find current. To find current in where?
Ma'am, in a particular resistor.
Very good. Okay. So in any branch at any point of the network, if you want to apply, is that you want to find out the current, or you want to find out the potential difference across any two ends of a particular branch. So there you can apply Thevenin's theorem. So how will you find out the potential difference? First you can find out the value of the current, then current multiply with the resistance, you will get the potential difference. Okay. So ultimately when you will get the current, everything will be you can find it out. Voltage, potential difference, and power will be I square into R. If your current is known, then you can find out what is the power consumed by the resistor. So many things you can find out once you can find out the value of the current. Am I clear or not? Am I
Yes, ma'am.
clear? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So your aim is to find out the value of the current. That means you can analyze the DC circuit by using the Thevenin's theorem. And Thevenin's theorem is, my screen is not visible. Oh, sorry.
No, ma'am. Your screen is
No, ma'am.
Just wait 1 second. Share my screen. So here you see, so your aim of the experiment is verification of Thevenin's theorem. So you will find out, yes, where you can apply the Thevenin's theorem. You can only apply this Thevenin's theorem. You can apply Thevenin's theorem to any linear active bilateral network. Remember, somebody in the question somewhere you will get the question where what is the limitation of Thevenin's theorem. You cannot apply to a which network? Non-linear network. You cannot apply to a unilateral
okay.
network. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here, just wait. Huh? Yes. So here the Thevenin's theorem, in order to, your objective is to verify the Thevenin's theorem to calculate the efficiency of the load using Thevenin's theorem at different load. So here you will be using all these types of equipments when the experiment is performed offline, or the offline video which you will see. The equipments we are using are DC regulated supply, voltmeter, ammeter, rheostat, connecting wires. Okay. So here, now coming to the theory, Thevenin's theorem, it states that a linear active bilateral network can be replaced by an equivalent voltage source with a series resistance. So this is already discussed in the theory class. So Thevenin's theorem can be, a circuit can be replaced by a Thevenin's voltage with a series resistance. Okay, where the Thevenin's voltage is the open circuit voltage across the, what is your Thevenin's voltage? What is the Thevenin's voltage? Tell me. It is the voltage across the, tell.
Open circuit voltage.
It is the open circuit voltage. Which one you will open?
Ma'am, the RL, which one we have taken?
Okay. Yes. So the steps are, first step is you will, some problem. So first step is you first what? Yes. So first step is what you will do. You will, whichever the branch you need to find out the value of the current, just you will remove that one. Then what is your second step? What is your second step?
Ma'am, to find VThevenin.
To find out the VThevenin. Then set next step to find
And
out the
then the finder
RThevenin.
ma'am,
Find
resistance.
out the
Yes, ma'am.
RThevenin. Look at your copy. Then next
Ma'am, then we
step,
have to the Thevenin equivalent circuit. We have to make
equivalent
it.
circuit. Then what you have to do? You have
Ma'am,
to draw
insert
the
RL.
Thevenin. Yes, draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit and then insert the resistance which you have removed in the first step. Okay. Then you use the formula. What is the formula? What is your formula? Formula is what?
IL equal to
IL
VThevenin
equals
by
VThevenin
RThevenin plus
by
RL.
IL equal to
VThevenin divided
VThevenin
by
divided by
RThevenin.
R.
RThevenin plus RL.
plus RL.
Okay. My board is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the steps. So here what you will do, look at here. You will find out the current in this particular branch. Okay. So how you, what is the value of this resistance we are taking, Anjana madam? Can you tell what is the voltage and the resistance?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. 10 volt, 20 volt.
Just wait. You will calculate.
Okay.
Yes. So
V1 10.
V1 is equal to 10 volt.
Yes, madam.
Then
R1 10 ohm.
R1 is equal to 10 ohm. Then
R2 20.
20. Then
Load resistance 40.
40.
Then this is 20. 20 volt.
20 volt. So they are taking their aim is to find out the current in the 40 ohm resistor, right?
40 ohm. Yes, madam.
So find out the current in the 40 ohm resistor by using Thevenin's theorem. So what is your first step? You see,
Ma'am,
what
we
you
have to
will do?
remove that 40 ohm resistance.
40 ohm resistance, you remove it. So now the circuit becomes, this is, I have removed it, the 40 ohm resistance. Now what I will do? I will find out what is the value of the VThevenin. Okay. So VThevenin, when you are finding out, you do not know which potential. When you have opened this branch, there are two terminals. You do not know whether the upper one is positive or the lower one is negative, or the upper one is positive, upper one is negative, lower one is positive. Okay, you do not know. So arbitrarily, according to your wish, give the polarity. Am I clear to all of you? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You will arbitrarily, according to your wish, you assign whichever is positive, or which one you will take it as negative according to your wish. Automatically you will get an answer positive or negative. Okay, don't know. Magnitude will be remaining same. Now, how will you find out the value of the VThevenin? First, I will find out what is the current flowing in this circuit. Then I will apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law in this particular loop. So let me find out the current first. So what is your equation using your Kirchhoff's voltage law? 10 minus, suppose the current is your I. I will use mesh analysis. 10 minus 10 into I. Then what? Minus 20 into I. Then tell me what is the equation. Then minus 20 is equal to 0.
0.
You could have told me the answer current. What is the current? Answer quickly, you could have told me the answer. What is the value of the current?
1 ampere.
Who answered? Let me know.
Ma'am, but direction will be negative, no? I guess.
तुम्हारा इसी में कितना आ रहा है मुझे बोलो. करंट कितना आ रहा है?
मैम 1 एम्पियर आ रहा
आ रहा है तो 1 एम्पियर.
Yes,
यस,
ma'am. 1 ampere.
1 एम्पियर आ रहा है या -1 एम्पियर आ रहा है?
मैम 1 एम्पियर आ रहा है मैम.
आ रहा है तो
मैम 1 एम्पियर.
हाँ,
मैम -1/3 आ रहा है.
-1/3 है.
-1/3. Yes, ma'am.
बोल रहा है 1 एम्पियर आ रहा है.
मैम मैंने आधा इक्वेशन किया था, सॉरी.
छोटा सा इक्वेशन सॉल्व करने के लिए इतने टाइम लगेगा. कितना आ रहा है? I is equal to
-1/3.
-1/3 ampere. Very good. So here, that means the current is actually flowing in which direction? Opposite to what I have assigned. That means the current is flowing in the anti-clockwise direction. So now you put Kirchhoff's voltage law in this particular loop. What will be the value? 10 plus current is actually flowing in which direction?
10 plus 10.
1/3 ampere. Got it or not? So plus 10 into how much?
1/3.
1/3 minus VTH is equal to 0. What is the value of VTH? Find out.
Forty
How
upon
is
3.
it?
-40/3 upon 3.
Very
Minus
good.
40 upon 3.
40/3.
upon 3 minus 40.
Positive.
Plus 40 upon
फास्ट
3.
क्लास तुम लोग का है ना? ऐसे फास्ट क्लास कर रहे हो या नहीं? 11 बजे फास्ट क्लास कर रहे हो, उसके बाद
सेकंड
इतना
क्लास.
EVS था मैम.
EVS था मैम.
मैम 9 से EVS था.
नो.
यस मैम.
ऑफलाइन आते सब 8 बजे तुम लोग का सेक्शन के बच्चे 8 बजे आकर के लैब कर रहे हैं. यस मैडम, ईबीएस क्लास कर लिए. ये क्या इक्वेशन एक सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते, साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर रख करके बैठे हो. चलो, नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू इट इज नेक्स्ट you will find out what? RThevenin. Okay, next you will find out the value of RThevenin. Find out the value of RThevenin. जल्दी करो, मेरा बोर्ड प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है. Find out the value of RThevenin. You will look from these two terminals what is the equivalent resistance. So what you will do? What you will do? You will deactivate the energy sources. While finding the resistances, you will deactivate the energy sources. Yes or no? So voltage source is there. How you will deactivate it? You
And
will
short.
just sort these two so that there will be no what? No voltage source. No voltage source. Just you will sort it. Voltage source was there. It was giving you the potential difference, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So when there is no voltage source, there is no potential difference. You have deactivated it. So now if you look from these two terminal, if your eye will look into this terminal, then what will be the value of the equivalent resistance of the circuit? These two are connected in parallel or series?
सीरीज में.
हाँ, बोल दो. सीरीज नहीं तो पैरेलल, पैरेलल नहीं तो सीरीज. अरे ये पॉइंट तो एक है. ये दिस पॉइंट सेम और दिस पॉइंट इज सेम. तो ये टू फ्रॉम दिस टू पॉइंट, between this point and this point, one resistance is connected here, another resistance is connected here. तो सीरीज कैसे हो गया तुम्हारा? So what will be our RThevenin? 10 multiplied with 20 divided by how much? 10 plus
20.
30.
So this is 200 divided by how much?
30.
What it?
20/3.
So this is 20 divided by 3 ohm. Okay, got it all of you? Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
So now what you will do? Thevenin's resistor, Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's resistance you connect. This is your 40 divided by 3 and this is your 20 divided by 3. How much it is coming? Then what you will do it is, you will insert the resistance. How much it is? Resistance 40 ohm. Okay, so what will be your current here? Find out. Calculator देखो कितना आ रहा है. IL is equal to how much? 40 divided by 3 divided by 20 divided by 3 plus 40. कितना आ रहा है? मैडम कितने एसटी करंट है? अंजना मैडम
0.2.
Madam, 0.29.
0.29.
आ रहा है तो
28
0.28
something. 0.28 something
0.29.
Astri.
0.29.
0.2829 सेम एक है. ठीक है. All of you have got this current or not? IL equal to 0.29.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Now you will go for the. Any doubt with this? Any doubt? No doubt. Dipanjan, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, क्लास में लॉगिन करके चले जाओ.
जी मैम.
तुम लोगों को कितने बार मैं बोली हूँ, तुम लॉगिन करके जहां भी जाओ मुझे पता चल जाएगा. ठीक है. बीच में तो आई विल कॉल योर नेम ना. आज नहीं तो कल मैं कॉल करूंगी, तो एक दिन पकड़ जाओगे. ठीक है. चलो वंदना मैडम, यू सो द वीडियो. After
Yes,
seeing
madam.
another 2 problems I will give you. Another 2 problems I will give, that will be specific. Some roll number will do one problem, some roll number will do another problem. 2 problems I will be giving you. That you will show it by sharing me the screen. Okay. Stop sharing.
Monalisa madam. हाँ मैडम शेयर करते हैं.
Welcome to Basic Electrical Engineering Lab. Today we are going to perform verification of Thevenin theorem. For this theorem, we are using the circuits. These circuits contains 3 resistance, 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 40 ohm in a T form. We are using 2 voltage source. One is 10 volt source, another is 20 voltage source. So for these circuits, we are arranging, this is the instruments. These are the instruments we are using here. For these circuit connections and arrangements, we are using a voltage source. This is a regulated power supply. This regulated power supply specification is 30 volt 3 ampere. This is 30 volt 3 ampere multiple power supply. We are using as V1. Similarly, we are using another voltage source V2. This is a variable regulated power supply, and this is also 0 voltage, 0 to 30 voltage and 2 ampere ratings. We are using 3 resistances. All the 3 resistances are 50 ohm, 5 ampere ratings. This is one rheostat. Similarly, identical 3 resistances we are using, same 50 ohm, 5 ampere, second resistance, and this is the third resistance using 50 ohm, 5 ampere. And an ammeter, milliammeter, we are connecting in series with this load resistance to measure the load current, having range 0 to 300 milliampere. So according to the circuit diagrams, we are arranging these instruments. We have arranged these resistances. This is the R1. We have set this resistance at 10 ohm by using this multimeter. Similarly, R2, 20 ohm, and R3, 40 ohm resistances. All the 3 resistances are connected in a T form. Come to the circuit descriptions. Let us see, from the voltage source positive terminal, we are connecting to the fixed terminal of R1, that is 10 ohm resistances. from the variable terminal of the same resistance, I am connecting to the fixed terminal of R2. And the fixed terminal of R3 also. And from the variable terminal of the 20 ohm resistance connected with V2 positive terminal. And from the negative terminal of this connected to the variable terminal of the R3 and negative terminal of V1. And here with the R3, I am connecting I am connecting an ammeter in series with it to measure the load current. Before going to perform this experiment, we should know about the statement of Thevenin theorem. The Thevenin theorem statement is, for a linear bilateral network, active network, it can be replaced by equivalent voltage source and a series resistance with it. So now we will go to perform the. Now we will give the supply. This is the MCB DP. Now by using, this is a switch of DC supply, and we have to adjust at 10 volt. As V1. Similarly, here 20 volt as V2. And here the current is nearly 270 milliampere. It is coming 275 milliampere. So this is the load current passing through the load resistance. So we have to verify using Thevenin circuits. We have to verify whether this current is coming in the Thevenin circuits or not. So now we have to Thevenize the given circuits. Now we'll note down the reading. That is IL 275 milliampere. So this current is passing through this load resistance. This is load current 275 milliampere. So now we have to Thevenize these circuits, and with the help of Thevenin circuits, we have to verify whether this current is coming through the load resistance or not in Thevenin equivalent circuits. To verify that this theorem, we are using 3 steps. In step 1, you have to verify to measure the Thevenin resistance. In these circuits, to find out the Thevenin resistance, first we have to inactive the voltage source and remove the load resistance from the circuits. So here you see, when we are using voltage source, so instead of a voltage source, just put a short across this. Similarly, in the second voltage source, short this, and here already you have removed the resistance to measure the equivalent resistance or Thevenin resistance across this point. In these circuits, these two resistances, 10 ohm and 20 ohms, these are connected parallel. The equivalent parallel resistance is 10 into 20 divided by 10 plus 20 equal to 6.7 ohms. So we have to check whether this resistance is equal with our practical resistance or not. Here we have already disconnected the voltage source. We have already disconnected the voltage source. Here you see, short the voltage source V1. Similarly, V2, and this is the open terminal. Across this we have to measure the resistance with the help of multimeter. Now it is coming 6.7. 6.7. And it is near to the theoretical resistance 6.7 ohm. So the Thevenin resistance is 6.7 ohm. Next, in step 2, we have to measure the Thevenin voltage using these circuits. The same circuits, here we are applying 10 volt source and 20 volt source from both sides, and at the load resistance we have to remove the load resistance, and that point we have to check the open circuit voltage. In second step, we have to measure the Thevenin voltage by using these circuits. In these circuits, we are connecting 10 volt source here, 20 volt source this sides, and we have to measure the voltage, open circuit voltage across the load terminals. So here, in voltage source, we have already adjusted 10 volt. This is the V1. Similarly, in the another sides, we will apply 20 volt. Now, we will adjust the voltage. We will check the voltage across the load terminal. Practically, how much voltage coming across this? It is nearly 13.3. Okay, it is coming 13.3. So this is the VTH. Now the VTH or VOC, open circuit voltage, it is coming 13.3 voltage. So now, using this Thevenin equivalent circuits, we have to measure the load current. So here in Thevenin equivalent circuits, this is your VTH and this is RTH. VTH and RTH both are series, and this is the Thevenin source. This is the Thevenin source, and this is the required load resistance. An ammeter connected in series with it to measure the load current. To verify the Thevenin, to verify the load current, so this is the formula to verify the load current, whether this current is equal with this previous actual current, 275 milliampere. Whether this current is coming or not, we have to verify using Thevenin equivalent circuits. IL equal to this. Here this is your VTH 13.3 voltage and RTH equal to 6.66 or 6.7 plus load resistance is 40. Coming 13.3 divided by 46.7, it is coming 0.284. So this is 284 milliampere. It is nearly equal with the theoretical value. So now we have to verify this with the help of Thevenin equivalent circuits. So already we have set the resistance value RTH 6.7 ohm using this resistance. This is the RTH resistance, and this is our load resistance. Already we have set at 40 ohm, and this is the VTH. VTH I have set it is 13.3. Now the current is coming 276. So this current is equal with our actual value load current 275 milliampere. So the theorem is verified. Thank you.
So, is there any doubt? Yes, student. In video, there is any doubt?
Students, please respond.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay.
No,
So, if there is no doubt, so tell me how to identify, how to determine Thevenin's voltage and Thevenin's resistance. Yes, student. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, to find them Thevenin's voltage first, we have
Yes.
to, ma'am, take out the, ma'am, VL which we are taking, ma'am. We have to just remove the VL first. Then we have to, ma'am, find V Thevenin through, ma'am. First, we will find the current through that circuit. Then we can apply any of the theorems to find that voltage in the circuit.
That is V Thevenin.
Yes, ma'am. V Thevenin. We have to find the voltage, no?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, first we have to, ma'am, use, ma'am, KVL through the circuit. First we have to short, ma'am, that RL. And then we will short. Then we will find the current through that whole.
Short or open?
Ma'am, open. Sorry, open. Open. Then we have to find the, ma'am, current through the circuit.
Okay. Then RTH, Thevenin. RTH कैसे निकालोगे?
Ma'am, for R Thevenin, ma'am, we have to first, ma'am, neutralize, ma'am, for all the, ma'am, current sources, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to just
Current sources or voltage sources?
ma'am, voltage sources. Sorry, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, suppose, ma'am, we have to first neutralize all. Then we will find, ma'am, the R Thevenin from through the circuit after neutralizing all.
Okay. What you have to verify here? Thevenin's theorem. What you have to verify here? If a complex circuit given, then what you have to verify?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
If a complex circuit is given to you, then what to verify here? Means Thevenin theorem how to verify?
And firstly, we have to calculate the current of load resistance.
Okay.
Then we have to find the voltage of
Thevenin's voltage. Then
And then resistance.
and then the resistance of the voltage.
okay, then you go to the equivalent
Circuit.
circuit. Okay.
Then we have to
And
find the,
at
then we have
last,
to verify the current that is coming through.
very good, very good. So now we are going to the circuit part. So I am sharing the link in chat box. So all of you go through that. Okay. So first we have taken 3 register. current and two voltage sources. You just tell me what's the values.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell this value.
Ma'am, first 10 volt.
This is 10. Then
10 ohm.
this is
20 ohm.
20 ohm.
20 ohm. And this RL
30 ohm.
40 ohm.
40 ohm. Then this source voltage
10 volt.
10 volt.
10 volt.
That is
then
20.
this
20
20.
volt.
20. Very good. So now I'm connecting to the circuit. So see here, the current is coming 0.29 ampere. But in physical mode, we are taking 0.275. Okay. So here it is coming 0.29. Don't be compare with the physical mode. Okay. You just take whatever is coming to your online mode. Okay, you just take all the values that is given to your observation table in your manual. That value you are taking and just determine what is the current is coming. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the complex circuit. Okay. Now we are going to the next part, means we have to determine the VTH. So for VTH we are open this load resistance. So I'm just deleting it. So I am doing here in A tab, but you have to do 4 circuit. Okay. So in every tab you just do one circuit, or in A circuit you just do two circuit. Okay, there are 4 parts. First part is the complex circuit. Then I am doing the second circuit. What is there to determine the VTH? So I am just checking the voltage. So your VTH is coming 13.33.
Yes, ma'am.
3.
Okay. 33. Okay. 13.33. So now we are going to the next circuit. What is that? We have to determine the RTH. So in theoretically you have to parallel it 10 and 20. Okay. But in practically, okay. So you just remove this part also, short circuiting it. And for resistance measurement, you need a battery and a ammeter.
So what will be the value of that battery, ma'am? The conf, ma'am, which has already given, ma'am.
Which value?
Yes, ma'am. The value of the battery.
Battery value. I'm telling. See, here is battery values. Any value we giving. Okay. I'm just giving 9 volt. What is the current coming? 1.35. Just to calculate what is the resistance value. What is the value?
0.15.
What?
Ma'am, 6.67.
6.66.
Equal to IR.
Yes, you have the V value and I value. Then R is V upon I.
6.66.
6.66. Okay.
6.66.
Now I am changing the. Yes.
Nothing, ma'am.
Now I am changing the voltage value here. See, I am giving 18. Okay. What is the current coming? 2.7 ampere. Now you can calculate.
6.66.
6.66.
Same, yes, ma'am.
Same.
Now 28. 25, 4.2. Calculate.
Same, ma'am.
Same.
ma'am.
Why it is coming same? Because RTH is because your resistance is 10 ohm and 20 ohm. Okay. So whatever value change here, the RTH value is coming equal. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the third circuit. Now I am going to the last circuit, means the equivalent circuit. So in equivalent circuit, what we need? In equivalent circuit, what do we need?
R Thevenin, V
RTH, VDH,
R Thevenin,
IA,
V Thevenin,
And RL.
RL. Very good, very good. And for checking the current, I am just connecting the ammeter here. So our RTH value is 6.66. So here is one digit here. So I am giving one digit. Okay. And VTH is
13.3.
13.3.
13.3. RL is 40. So now I'm connecting. Now see, it is coming same.
Yes.
Because here it is online, that's why it is coming same. But in offline there is a meter error. That is 0.05 something error is there. Okay. So you have to take whatever value is giving to your manual. Then you determine the load current. Okay. So you have to do, there are 4 circuits. First is your complex circuit. Then you determine the VTH, that is VTH circuit. In VTH circuit, you have to open the load resistance and measure the voltage by the voltmeter. Then you go to the RTH circuit. In RTH circuit, you have to short circuit both source voltage and take a battery and a ammeter connecting there and measure the resistance. And last,
I'm done.
this one. Yes,
Ma'am, how to do that voltage in points?
voltage in?
This ma'am 13.3. Then how to set that 13.3?
Use
No,
the
13.33 is there, but here there is only one digit.
Use the slide.
अरे use the slide arrow ना, जब उसके ऊपर क्लिक करेगी तो एक arrow भी दिखाएगा मुझे.
अच्छा, you have to asking it. You see, like this.
मैम वो हमेशा मैम राउंड शॉट में आता है, फिर वो लेफ्ट राइट एरो यूज करने से
हाँ,
पॉइंट
बोले, yes. This side.
Okay, understood.
Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I am stop my screen sharing. So we just give 5 minutes, or madam giving any questions to you? We just did. Madam.
मैडम नहीं जो मोनालिसा मैडम
Yes, sir.
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ଅନଲାଇନ ଟା ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଆସିଲେ ଦେବେ।
Okay. So we just give you 5 minutes time. After then, you just share your screen, or else if anyone complain the circuit, then you share a screen.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Ma'am, the same values, na,
I'm
ma'am,
done.
yesterday.
I'm completed, ma'am.
I'm completed.
Okay, okay. So after 5 minutes we will start. Okay, at 12 we will start.
Okay.
Okay, Satyabrata, share your screen. Am I audible, student?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. One second.
Satyabrata, share your screen.
Ma'am, can you see it? Ma'am, is it visible? Ma'am, is it visible? Hello, ma'am.
It is visible.
Ma'am, this is the first one, ma'am, whole circuit. And this is voltage one, V Thevenin. This is R Thevenin. And this is the final one.
You have
I'm sorry.
taken the same value. Just
Yes,
share
ma'am.
again.
Ma'am.
Okay, okay. In the manual, other two values are given, na?
Yes, ma'am. Other both
You
two
can
values
also
are
do that.
again given.
Okay. You can
Okay.
also do that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Satyavata, your roll number?
Ma'am, 745.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Then
749 is so
next.
correct. 749.
No, no. 868. I'll call. Roll number right.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
मैम
set.
एक्चुअली उसका हैंड रेस था 749 का, वो हैंड्स डाउन ऑटोमेटिक हो गया
हम्म.
मैम। उसके बाद 749 का ही हैंड रेस था मैम, वो ऑटो हैंड डाउन हो
अच्छा
गया
ठीक
उसका।
है ठीक है। तुम सत्यव्रत 745 ना?
यस मैम 745।
Then
Ma'am.
749. Okay, you share 749. You share.
Okay.
After 749, Arya, you share. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Satyavrat completed.
यस मैम।
Okay. So what you will do next 1 hour?
मैम बाकी मैम दो वैल्यू दिए उनका भी चेक करूंगा मैं।
चेक करो और एक दो प्रॉब्लम में दे रही हूँ ये आफ्टर शिवम विल शेयर अनदर 2 प्रॉब्लम्स आई विल डू ऑल ऑफ यू विल डू इट इन द मीन टाइम
ओके।
मैडम चेक करो
Okay, okay. You are doing the same circuit. Okay.
मैम आप जो वैल्यू देंगे मैम, वो मैम पीएचईटी में करना है या फिर हैंडली करना है मैम?
Sorry.
चित्तल का मैम
मैम आप मैनुअल वाला हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें या फिर आप मैम वैल्यू
ऑनलाइन
देंगे?
में करेंगे मैम।
क्या हुआ शिवम
मैम आप क्वेश्चन दे रही हैं?
हाँ आई एम शेयरिंग
मैम
Okay.
वो
मैम
वाला
वो
मैम
ऑनलाइन में करे ना
या ऑफलाइन में
ऑफलाइन?
मैम? हैंड रिटन करेंगे या फिर उसको ऑनलाइन करेंगे?
नहीं ऑनलाइन सिमुलेशन प्लेटफॉर्म में
ओके मैम।
ओके
और ऑफलाइन में उसको कैलकुलेशन करना कितना करंट आ रहा है तुम मुझे वेरीफाई करके दिखाओगे यू विल शो मी यू विल वेरीफाई दैट योर द सुपरफिशियल सॉरी द थेवेनिन्स थ्योरम इज वेरीफाइड
यस मैम।
your object is to verify Thevenin's theorem. How will you verify it? Offline में तुम लोग को पेन एंड पेपर में उसको कैलकुलेशन करना what is the current in that particular branch. Then you use simulation platform and see what is the current. Whether both the currents are equal or not, check. Understood?
इसके लिए तो मैम एक डायग्राम के लिए मैम 4 हमें सर्किट बनाने पड़ेंगे मैम। तो
मैम वो सेम सर्किट को बना सकते हैं,
नहीं
मैनिपुलेट कर
तुमको
सकते हैं।
जब हाँ 4 सर्किट बनाना तुम मुझे फाइनली जो थेवेनिन्स थ्योरम में थेवेनिन्स इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट में मुझे शो करना
मैम
यू विल
लास्ट
शो
वाला
मी
आईएल सर्किट
लास्ट वाला में मुझे
यस मैम
दिखाना
आईएल
व्हाट द
सर्किट।
करंट इज सेम
ओके
अंडरस्टूड
यस मैम।
माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल
यस मैम विजिबल मैम।
यस मैम।
कैलकुलेट current in 10 ohm resistance arbitrarily I will call the roll numbers okay arbitrarily I will call the roll number so all of you do Ten ohm. This is 8 ohm. This is 12 ohm. This is 2 ohm. 5 ohm. This is 20 ohm. After calculating offline, you will tell me what is the current you are getting. Okay. Done it. Written. So number 2.
मैम आप उसको डायग्राम बना दिए थे?
फर्स्ट वाला हो गया?
नो मैम,
फर्स्ट वन हैव यू डन इट?
नो मैम।
Second one, you find out the current in 4 ohm resistor. Kind of.
मैम
हाँ,
मेरा वो जो सर्किट डायग्राम है ना, उसमें वो वोल्ट मीटर में कुछ शो नहीं कर रहा है मेरा।
अच्छा ठीक है, just wait, you will share the screen. All of you have written the question?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
मैम
ma'am.
All of you have written?
No, ma'am.
No ma'am, no ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Write it, write it. ये दो सिमुलेशन पहले करना. First you will do the simulation and find out the current. First ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म में करना ये दोनों. Got it all of you?
यस
Okay ma'am.
First ऑनलाइन सिमुलेशन में फाइंड आउट करो. Written all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have written, or I will stop sharing them. If anybody has not written, then tell me. Done it?
यस
All of you have done? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now I will stop sharing. Yes, somebody was facing issues, tell me.
यस मैम,
So,
मैम स्क्रीन शेयरिंग।
screen share करो. In the meantime, all of you do it.
मैम यहाँ पे
No need to raise hand. No need to raise hand. I will call the roll numbers arbitrarily. Accordingly, I will give the attendance. No need to raise.
मैम यहाँ पे शो नहीं कर रहा।
Just see anywhere it's connected or not. Just see.
से मैम वो दो एक्स्ट्रा वायर्स को निकाल दो।
Listen,
Yes,
listen,
ma'am.
listen, listen. ब्लैक कलर के नीचे जो वायर है ना, वो कनेक्ट नहीं है। ब्लैक कलर के नीचे, नीचे आओ। हाँ,
वैसे नहीं कनेक्ट होगा हमारे
नहीं है।
नहीं होगा,
लगाना पड़ेगा।
उसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। हाँ, उसको दो
अरे सुनो, उसको डिलीट करो।
मैम इसको
नो नो नो, वो जो
यस मैम,
ऊपर
उसी
वाला
को
वायर
डिलीट
था।
करना पड़ेगा मैम। लंबे
यस
वाले
मैम, उसी को
हाँ,
डिलीट
उसी को
करना
delete-
पड़ेगा।
उसी को डिलीट करके फिर से कनेक्ट करो।
मैम। मैम
फिर
लंबा वाला
दोनों
वायर,
साइड से
बैटरी जो
वायर
दो कनेक्टेड है
वो
उसको
बीच
डिलीट
वाला
करना
वायर से।
हाँ, अभी कनेक्ट करो बस।
हाँ,
और एक और साइड से एक और वायर।
मैम आ गया।
हाँ, अभी देखो।
आया ना?
यस
हाँ,
यस
वो मिडिल वाला वो बीच में कनेक्ट नहीं था। ओके
ओके।
मैम 0.32 आ रहा है मैम फर्स्ट का।
क्या 0.32 करंट आ रहा है?
यस मैम 0.32 एम्पियर।
यस मैम 0.32 है।
0.32 एम्पियर है
हाँ
मैम।
ठीक है, सिमुलेशन वो कैलकुलेशन में आया 0.32 ना?
यस मैम।
हाँ, उसको सिमुलेशन में देखो। मैम सिमुलेशन में
मैम सिमुलेशन भी कर।
हाँ ठीक है।
मैम वो कॉम्प्लेक्स सर्किट बनाया ना तो उसमें आया वो 0.32।
हाँ बोल रही हूँ ना, उसको सॉल्व करके देखो थेवेनिन में आ रहा है कि नहीं।
ओके।
देन शेयर करो, ठीक है? कंप्लीट करो सिमुलेशन पार्ट।
मैम पहले कॉम्प्लेक्स वाला एक होगा और उसके बाद लास्ट में जो फाइनल रहता है वो वाला होगा।
मिडिल वाला भी दिखाओ।
ओके।
पहले वाला जो किए हो।
यस मैम वो कॉम्प्लेक्स वाला भी और जो लास्ट में होगा वो वाला भी।
हाँ शेयर करो।
मैम लास्ट वाला नहीं मैम, पहले वाला बस कॉम्प्लेक्स वाला किए।
किए हो वो वाला किए हो।
मैम कॉम्प्लेक्स वाला कर लिया मैम, लास्ट
मैम
वाला
जैसे 0.32 आ रहा है मैम, जो उसके बाद वो लास्ट वाला डायरेक्ट बना देंगे ना? ओके मैम।
मैम मतलब मिडिल का नहीं करना है।
क्या क्या हुआ, एक मिनट रुको।
मैम कॉम्प्लेक्स और इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट बनाना है ना खाली।
कॉम्प्लेक्स क्या बोल रहे हो?
मैम मतलब कि जो सर्किट आपने बनाया था वो बनाना है और
अरे भाई इक्विवेलेंट कैसे बना पाएगा? सब बनाएगा तब ना इक्विवेलेंट बनेगा।
अरे 4 सर्किट तुमको शेयर करना है ना,
4 सर्किट बनाओ ना।
थेवेनिन वोल्टेज के लिए, थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस के लिए, देन तुम्हारा थेवेनिन सर्किट एंड फास्ट सर्किट, 4 सर्किट तुम्हें शेयर करना है। अंडरस्टैंड?
ओके मैम।
Okay, Saubhagya, Roy, you share your screen. Let us see what you have done.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Utkarsh, you will share. Saubhagya, Roy.
Yes ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, sharing.
Next, Ajay
Ma'am, can you
Shankar,
see
you will
my
share.
screen?
हाँ. ठीक है. You do it. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, Utkarsh.
Yes ma'am.
Next, Ajay Shankar, you will share.
Ma'am, is it showing?
No, share करो तो उसके बाद शो करेगा ना.
Ma'am, I'm trying, but just a second.
हाँ?
Just a second, ma'am.
No trying. Share your screen or will join with other system. नीचे शेयर बटन में शेयर करो.
हाँ ma'am, I share every time, but this time it's showing some network problem, I guess.
मोबाइल में दूसरे सिस्टम में कनेक्ट करो.
Yes ma'am, I'm doing it. Just ma'am, I'll just show you in 2 minutes, ma'am.
हाँ हाँ. अजय शंकर, you share. Ajay Shankar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Music.
अंजना मैडम टिके खाली देखिए. हाँ
हाँ मैडम. हाँ
Then Ankit Senapati, you will share.
Okay. Ajay, your current, show me the circuit again. Show me the first circuit. Where is your ammeter?
Ma'am.
In this circuit. Okay. 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 Thevenin voltage is how much? 6.3.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 6.3.
Okay.
I'm making the circuit.
Okay. Last circuit. Where is the last circuit?
This one.
Okay. Okay. Stop.
Oh, thank you.
Next.
First problem, do it. Again, you will share. Ankit Sinha, sorry, Ankit Senapati, you share.
Yes ma'am. Sorry.
Then Ankit Sinha, you will share.
Ma'am,
In
second problem, current is coming out to be 0.
Yes ma'am, 0 ma'am.
Yes ma'am, 0 आ रहा है.
मैम 0 आ रहा है.
Yes ma'am.
कहाँ पे दिखाओ तो?
Yes, ma'am, showing ma'am.
Second problem.
Yes ma'am, this one.
Current 0 आएगा.
Yes, ma'am, this problem.
All of you have got 0. Okay.
Yes ma'am, 0. Yes ma'am, 0. I've got. Yes ma'am, 0 आ रहा है.
Ma'am, I am getting 1.2.
नहीं, current 0 आएगा.
Current
0 ma'am.
I'll show this thing. This is the first one.
No, circuit is not shared. Your circuit is
shared?
not shared. Not showing? Okay, okay.
Ma'am, is it visible?
No, no. Click the tab. Click the tab. Enter screen.
And now?
Yes, yes. Now it is coming.
Yes, ma'am. This is the first one. 2.0.29 ampere.
No, no. This is the first circuit. What ma'am is given that you have to do
Okay,
that
okay.
now.
Okay, ma'am. This one.
Yes, yes.
And this
That
is the
one
second
which
one.
I
I'm
have
getting
given,
zero.
that one you do.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. I am now
Yes,
submitting.
yes, yes.
Okay. Then Saurabh, you share 746.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankit Senapati has shared, na?
Yes, ma'am.
As well. And this one is complex diagram. VRTH. RTH. And this is the equivalent circuit. अब मैम ये जो मैम ने पहला दिया था वो कर रहा था मैं.
ठीक है स्टॉप शेयरिंग. Saurabh. Then Ankit Sinha.
Yes, ma'am, sharing.
Then Sayan, you will show Chattopadhyay.
Ma'am, the question which you had given, this is the first one, second one I am doing.
Okay. Okay, do. Sayan, you show.
Yes, ma'am, showing. Ma'am, is it visible?
Share करो.
Ma'am, wait.
Utkarsh, after that you will share.
Yes, ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Ma'am, first, second, third, and fourth, ma'am, and the questions I'm doing.
Okay.
Okay, other circuit, what ma'am is given.
Ma'am, I am doing that one.
Okay, okay. Complete
Ma'am,
it.
actually,
Okay.
by mistake, I clicked the link and.
Okay, you complete it.
Soham Patra, you share
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
831.
Yes, ma'am. Sharing.
Then Shayani, you will share 826.
Ma'am, this is the first one.
Yes, yes.
And this is the second one.
Okay.
And this is the third one. And this is the fourth one.
So last circuit again.
Yes, ma'am.
Here the current is coming 0.32.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Thevenin theorem is verified. Is the theorem verified? In the last circuit, you see the current.
Yes, ma'am. This is, ma'am, 0.26.
How? Then how it is verified? Where you have done mistake? You see. Just see the voltage, Thevenin voltage.
Yes, ma'am. 6.29, and at 6.3 I wrote.
Properly do.
No. Your circuit, Thevenin resistance circuit दिखाओ.
Yes, ma'am. This is.
9 divided by 0.95 is coming this.
Yes, ma'am. This is coming at 13.84. 13.84, and I take.
But your circuit is not verified, na? Then
Yes,
you see
ma'am.
where you have done mistake.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now, why,
Then
ma'am?
you have done the mistake. Okay, just rectify it. Where is your mistake?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Soham Patra. Then Sayani.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Sasi Prakash, you will share. After Sasi Prakash, Tarish, you will share.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes.
No, no, no. Yes, yes.
And this is the first circuit that's with all the elements. And this is to find the VThevenin, where I removed the 40 ohm resistor and found the VThevenin across it. This is the Thevenin's resistance circuit. I put a voltage and an ammeter, and I divided it by this using Ohm's law and determined the equivalent resistance in the circuit through this, which is the R Thevenin. Over here,
Yes, yes.
You just
It is
throw the
correct.
circuit. No need to explain. Just throw
Okay,
the.
ma'am.
We have very less time. I have to complete.
Then complete the other circuit what ma'am has given.
This
Okay,
is
okay.
what ma'am has given.
Yes, point corrected.
This is and
Hmm.
I'll remove this.
Okay, okay, you complete it.
Okay.
Complete it.
Sasi
Next.
Prakash. Sasi
Okay, ma'am.
Prakash.
Sharing, ma'am. Sharing. Ma'am, the first one. First circuit.
Okay.
Second circuit. Third one and fourth. Fifth. Ma'am.
So show me the fast circuit again. Fast circuit. Okay, okay. Your current is 0.54. Then so listen. You share your screen again.
Ma'am, wait. Hey, 1 minute, ma'am.
No. Share your screen again.
You share your screen, Sasi Prakash.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your circuit is not correct. You share again. Okay, here your current is 0.54. Okay, show me the last circuit. Show me the last circuit. No. That Thevenin. You see what you have taken? Huh? How your current is 0.29 here? You have taken the circuit 10, 20, 10. Here you have taken load resistance 40. How? Do it properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you getting or not?
Yes,
What you
ma'am.
are doing?
Are you getting or not?
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to correct you now.
What mistake you have done? Show the fast circuit again. Yes, here you see you have taken 9 volt, 10,
Yes,
20, 10. Okay,
Yes,
but your last circuit you have taken what you see.
40.
So you rectified. Do it again.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it? What you have done? Where
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
done the mistake? Okay. Then Subham, you share. Subham Pal.
When you are sharing, listen. When you are sharing, all of you I am telling. When you have shared the circuit, first you verify it. Okay, whether it is correct or not. Whether that Thevenin theorem is verified or not, first you rectified it. Then you share. Okay. Okay, share.
Yes, ma'am.
Share. Ma'am is told na to share.
Yes, ma'am. Is it showing, ma'am?
Just a minute.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, this is the first one.
Okay.
The second.
Okay.
The third one.
Hmm.
This is the fourth. The
Okay,
one
it is
which
correct.
ma'am had given, ma'am. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, I had just one query. In this circuit which I was making, is the current coming okay, as I have not verified it theoretically till now?
Just reverse
Ma'am
the
has
battery.
told.
That 12-volt battery, just reverse it.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. I'm correcting and then I'm showing it again. Okay.
Just reverse.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next, who is sharing?
Next, Somendu Das. You say. Next, Sasang Deepak. Be ready.
No, no. Oh, yes, yes. Now it is coming. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Show me the first one again. 0.26. Okay, okay. Yes, it is correct. 0.26. Hmm. Listen, listen. Again, show the circuit. Last circuit. Last. This is your 0.26. No, last circuit. No, no. Last circuit of that one. Yes. Now here it is 0.45. How it is verified? Hmm? What mistake you have done? No, 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 no. Not completing. What I am saying just before. You just verify by yourself. What mistake you have done? Listen first. Show me the first circuit again. Here you see you have taken 10, 20, 40. Okay. Your load resistance is 40. Okay. Then show me the Thevenin voltage. Thevenin voltage. Here you see 9, 18. You have taken the voltage 9 and 18. Adi, you have taken first circuit. You again share the first circuit.
No, here he is taken 9 and 8. 9.
Just a minute. I'm saying. You see here you have taken voltage 9, 18 and the resistance 10, 20, 40. Understand? But in other circuit you see what you have taken. Here you see 9, 9, 9, 10, 10. How it is? It will be proof. Correct it. No, 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 I will not be changed. I am saying repeated me na. You first verify by yourself. Then only you can share. Otherwise सबको कितना बार हम लोग बोलेंगे minutely
All
जैसे
of
देख
you
के.
listen first. Those who will show wrong this one, automatically your evaluation will be degraded. Whatever you are doing and you are showing, understand whatever. Any doubt you ask.
You just note down what circuit you have done. Okay. Then you share. Okay, you
Understood,
complete it.
Somendu.
You complete it, huh? Next.
Next, Satvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was the next.
Satvik, you share.
Okay, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
First one,
Hmm.
second one,
Okay.
third one, fourth one.
Okay,
And
okay.
these two are the
Then,
problems that ma'am gave. First one and second one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Stop.
Then Sasi
Thank you.
Prakash. Sasi Prakash?
I have shown, ma'am.
Oh, acha, you have shown. Then Sasang Deepak.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Susri Raut, you will share.
Is it visible, ma'am? Ma'am, this is the first
Yes,
one.
yes, it is coming.
This is the second one, third one,
Okay.
fourth one. This is the ma'am's first question.
Just a minute.
This is the
Fourth
ma'am.
one दिखाओ. Fourth one फिर से दिखाओ. 0.27. Show me the first circuit.
Yes, ma'am.
Here it is 0.29. इतना difference क्यों आया?
I might have done
फिर
some
से
error.
last circuit दिखाओ.
Ma'am, give me 2 minutes and I will correct it.
देखो करेक्ट.
जल्दी
अरे
करो.
थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस को चेंज करने से हो जाएगा. थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस तुमने 10 लिया. और तुम्हारा 6.6 होगा।
यस मैम 6.6 होगा ये।
हाँ जस्ट इसको चेंज करो हो जाए। सब करो, बार बार बोल रहे हैं फिर से नहीं सुनते हो।
अरे तुम लोग सुनो, पहले क्या करना है सुनो। मेनी ऑफ यू आर डूइंग रॉन्ग।
हाँ अभी आया।
I was changing the circuit and I made error here.
नहीं ऐसे। अरे when you are sharing first, I'll tell na. When you are sharing first, you just verify by yourself whether it is correct or not. Then you share.
Ask yourself, you verify whether it is correct or not. Then you go for sharing.
Okay ma'am.
ऐसा नहीं कि जो है, जो I am telling to all of you.
Okay.
देखो तुम लोग कर रही हो,
शेयर कर रहे हो,
तुम लोग सर्किट कर रही हो, शेयर भी कर रही हो, टाइम वेस्ट कर रही हो, फिर गलत शेयर करोगे तो कैसे होगा? रिपीटेडली ये सबका मिस्टेक होगा तो कैसे होगा बोलो? ओके यू कंप्लीट ओके।
then who have Susri Raut? Susri will share. Then Tarish you will share after Susri.
Okay ma'am.
And this is the first second.
Tarish, you verify yourself first before sharing.
Okay ma'am.
The third one.
Okay.
Then Tarish.
Okay. Next circuit. Have you completed what ma'am is given?
No ma'am, I'm just doing.
Arey no madam, what? How much time you are taking, Susri? Do it quick.
I'm done.
हाँ करो जल्दी करो. Tarish you share now.
Ma'am, this is the first circuit.
Okay.
The second circuit.
Hmm.
Third circuit.
Okay.
The fourth one.
फाइनल इससे पहले वाला तुम्हारा फाइनल है। ठीक है सही है। नेक्स्ट।
Tarish, तुम क्लास में नहीं रहते हो, लेट सबमिशन करते हो एक्सपेरिमेंट, कैसे चलेगा? सिंसियर रहो। नेक्स्ट हु विल शेयर? नहीं इसको रिपीट मत करो। सिद्धांत राज यू शेयर.
Yes ma'am, sharing.
Then Shuyash Datta you will share.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
No. Now coming.
Ma'am.
Okay. हाँ now it is coming. सिद्धांत.
Ma'am, this is the first one.
Yes दिखाओ. No second circuit is not shared. हाँ.
Yes ma'am, this is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one.
फोर्थ वन कौन सा?
Ma'am, this.
हाँ ये फोर्थ वन है। हाँ तुम्हारा लैग हो रहा है। अच्छा हाँ सही है। और द टू सर्किट?